One of my favorite appetizers to make in the summertime to take to functions are pinwheels, and I just can't get enough of them. They're quick and easy, and they're so yummy, and they're make ahead. So I love anything that's make ahead. It just really relieves a lot of stress of getting the kitchen dirty and cleaning everything up if you're gonna have some guests over or if you're going out to a function. So I have 6 pinwheel recipes I'm gonna share with you. They're all just so perfect for summertime. I love bringing them to get-togethers. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, put a like on this video if you enjoy it, and let me share with you these 6 pinwheel recipes.
So I'm going to start with, this is a carb balanced tortilla flour. It's the big burrito wrap size, but you can use whatever kind of tortilla really that you want. Now I have this boursin cheese. It is so flavorful. I love it. I use this stuff in a ton of different recipes, but I'm spreading a layer of the boursin cheese over the tortilla. Now I'm going to add a layer of spinach, and this is really simple, and these are so good. So I love making them. Now I'm going to add a layer of turkey. So just use your favorite kind of turkey. And I love that these are make ahead. So you'll want to make this either the night before you want to serve it or at least a few hours. So anything that's make ahead is always a plus for me. It just really saves when you're getting things ready to entertain or going to a function. So now that I have that layer of turkey, I'm going to roll this up nice and tight. So really as tight as you can get it, roll it up, and that one is all done for now. Now I'm going to make another one, and I'm going to roll this one up also. Once these are all rolled nice and tightly, I'm going to wrap them in some plastic wrap, or you can wrap them in foil, whichever you have. So I'm going to wrap these in my little plastic wrap, and then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. And like I said, you'll want to put them in overnight to firm up, or at least a few hours. So if you do want to make this the morning before you're going to serve it, you can do that too. So these refrigerated for me overnight. I'm going to unwrap them. They're nice and firmed up. So I will cut through the center and show you. Look how good these look. Oh my gosh, and they are so tasty. This boursin cheese has so much flavor. You can use cream cheese for this one if you wanted. Add some seasonings in. This is a garlic herb spreadable cheese. So if you want to do cream cheese, you can do that as well. So these are so great. And this one is going to be, I have cream cheese, I have a cup of chopped up rotisserie chicken, I have bacon, and I have some ranch seasoning. So this is a really awesome chicken bacon ranch, which I love. So I'm going to mix all this together. I use 2 tablespoons of the ranch seasoning mix, and my cream cheese is nice and firm. It's going to mix really well into the chicken and the bacon. So mix this all up. I have my tortillas, and I have this carb balanced tortilla again. I also like, this is the flour one, but I also like the whole wheat one is really good as well. But any large burrito size or wrap size tortilla is going to work really good for these. So I'm going to do a nice layer of this chicken bacon ranch, and it's just super easy. Just a few ingredients. Roll this up nice and tight. So this is going to make about 3 of these wraps. So once I have them all made up, I'm going to wrap it in cellophane, refrigerate overnight, or at least for a few hours to make these nice and firm. And then these will be ready to be all cut up and plated for your appetizer. So just a really awesome summer appetizer. These are just so great because you can serve them cold, of course. So you don't have to worry about, I love room temperature appetizers, so you don't have to worry about having anything heated up or anything like that. So this is just a really great option for a summer appetizer. Here's the center of these. They are really good, super easy. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I love easy recipes, and I am sharing them with you multiple times a week. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new. Make sure you put a like on this video also if you're enjoying it. I love seeing all your comments, all your likes. It just really makes my day. So I'm going to cut up the rest of these pinwheels, plate them onto my plate, and then these will be ready to go. So just keep these chilled until you're ready to serve them, and they are a huge hit. A great finger food. You can just pop these in, and you don't even really need a plate if you don't want an appetizer plate. So I have my burrito tortilla once again, nice big tortilla, and I have some, this is a whipped cream cheese. So I have whipped cream cheese. This is going to be an Italian pinwheel, Italian kind of an Italian sub pinwheel. So I have my nice layer of cream cheese. I have Italian seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle that over the cream cheese. Now I have some salami. I'm gonna add a layer of salami on here, and you can really add on kind of just a layer, or even a layer and a half is great. So now on this part, I'm going to do a layer of pepperoni, and this is just so good. Some sliced provolone as well that I'm going to do just across the center. And then I have these little banana peppers. I'm going to add these on as well. So this is a really great, just an Italian sub wrap pinwheel. These are perfect for any summer little get-together parties. So wrap this up nice and tightly, get all those ingredients in there, and then you can make as many of you as you want of these. So I have 3 of these for now, and I'm going to wrap these up in my plastic wrap, chill them overnight, and then they'll be ready to cut up tomorrow. So wrap them nice and tight with that cellophane, and then give them a chill overnight. You will really like these. These are a huge hit. So now that they've chilled, I'll cut them and plate them onto my little appetizer plate. So here is what they look like in the inside. Just really yummy. We love anything like salami and cheese. It's just a really great combo, of course, and so perfect for summertime. And these are just super easy and a really big hit as well. So I'm using my burrito tortilla. This is a whole wheat one. You can use whole wheat, you can use flour, whichever you prefer. I'm going to spread a layer of cream cheese. This is just a regular cream cheese. You can use whipped cream cheese if you want. This is going to be a veggie pinwheel, and these are always a huge hit. I always am having friends asking for the recipes for this one, but it's very simple. I mean, there's not really even a recipe. So you just add cream cheese, add on some ranch seasoning mix. I'm going to use a bunch of different veggies. I have some carrots. I'm just going to grate the carrots. You can do this over the tortilla like I am, or you can grate it onto a plate beforehand if you'd like. So I have my carrots that I'm going to grate. I also am going to add in some broccoli on this one, but you can add in a lot of different veggies, whichever you want. So I'm just grating the tops of the broccoli florets, and so just add in your favorite veggies. You can grate some bell pepper, even cauliflower, zucchini, cucumber, whatever you like. So this is really just a perfect light, nice and a healthy pinwheel. I really love this one. And like I said, this one gets so many rave reviews, and I've just always love to bring it because it is a big hit. So roll these up nice and tight, wrap them up in the cellophane just like the others, chill them overnight, of course, or for at least about 3 hours, so that they're nice and easy to cut, and that they stay nice and round, and that they're all firmed up. So I'm going to just roll this up, and then these will be ready to go into the fridge. So make-ahead appetizers are definitely one of my favorite. Any kind of thing that you can get done beforehand, before you're entertaining or before you're going out to a function that you're bringing an appetizer to. I just love that this is make-ahead, and so it really saves a lot of time, a lot of stress before you're going out to a function or having people over. So make-aheads are definitely really great in my book. So this one, make ahead and you are all set. You don't have to worry anymore about what you're making. Just slice these up, and your kitchen is already clean because you've already prepared these beforehand. So that's really what I love. You can have these all ready to go, and you don't have to worry about any kind of mess left over in your kitchen. So these ones are just a huge hit. Nice veggie, nice and light. I'm going to be making a Fiesta pinwheel. So I have cream cheese. I have half a cup of sour cream for this one. I have some salsa as well. Half a cup of salsa. Use your favorite salsa. I have some shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup of that. I have some taco seasoning. I'm just using a mild taco seasoning. You can use whichever your favorite is. But I have a tablespoon of that. And this is going to make a really yummy cream cheese spread to put into the tortilla. So I just really love this one. Just kind of stir it until it's nice and smooth and everything's mixed together. So I'm just using a regular flour tortilla. You can use any kind you want, flour, whole wheat, burrito size. This is just a regular taco size. So I'm going to make quite a few of these, but if you had a bigger tortilla, you can probably make a little bit less. But this one, just going to roll it up nice and tight, and then we will wrap them all up in the cellophane once we get all of these put together. This one's really yummy. We love kind of Tex-Mex, Southwest vibe food, so this one is always really great, and just another perfect like barbecue, party, appetizer, picnic. These are really good for picnics as well. You can make these, slice them up, and they're just a perfect little finger food to take out on a picnic or out to the pool. If you have like a public swimming pool that you take snacks to, we go out to the lake. So this is just a really great little finger food option and super hearty and just really, really yummy. So I am going to cut these up. Here they are, the center, really yummy with all the taco seasoning and the Tex-Mex Southwest flavors of this one. So this one is a huge hit. I make this one quite often. We really, really like it. So super easy, make ahead, and it is really great. So this next pinwheel, I have these spinach wraps. This one has a lot of really great flavor. I love it. You can use any kind of wrap you want, honestly. But I really like this one for this because it's going to be a turkey cranberry, and this spinach wrap just really adds a little bit of fun flavor to this one. So I have my cream cheese on the bottom. Now I'm going to layer some turkey as well. And I'm going to put in some dried cranberries. This is so fun. I love the combination of the dried cranberries with the turkey and the cream cheese. So this one is just really, really great. Wrap it up nice and tight. You can make as many of these as you want. So I'm going to make a big batch because these are one of my favorites. I'm just going to use all the turkey that I have for this little batch of pinwheels. I'll sprinkle on those cranberries, and they just have just such a great combo. I absolutely love the combo with the cream cheese and the turkey with these cranberries. So I'm going to wrap these with some tin foil because I am out of my plastic wrap, but tin foil works just as great as plastic wrap does. So I'm going to roll this up, refrigerate these overnight, and then they will be ready to go. So another really awesome option. So I love sharing all these options with you of different pinwheels you can make so that if you like certain flavors, you can pick one or the other, or you can make a combination of a bunch of these different pinwheels for your next function or get together. So this one, easy, delicious, huge hit. Absolutely love it. So they have been chilled overnight. So I will unwrap these and then cut them up and put them on my little appetizer platter. So I'm going to cut this in half, and then here is the center. Really yummy. I absolutely love this one. It's definitely one of my favorites. So cut it up, put it on your plate, and you are all set, ready to go. And I did make a big batch of this one, so it's just going to fill up my whole plate, which I absolutely love. So lots and lots of these to pass around. I hope that you enjoyed these pinwheel appetizer recipes. I love easy recipes. I love that these ones are make ahead, which is just so convenient. You can get your kitchen cleaned up and have your appetizer ready to go before anybody comes over or before you have to go out to a function. So I love that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Put a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.